Are you good with SQL? Let's see if you can answer this SQL interview question.
Assume you have this table, employees table. It's very simple, 3 columns: first name, department ID, and hire date. And then you just create a simple index over the first name and the department ID. And the question is basically, can you please tell me which query is faster and why? Assuming that the optimizer is going to use the index, which query do you think that will be faster? This is based on the theory. So if you know the answer, I would like you to leave it in the comments. I will give you a couple of seconds to think about it.
If you answer that the first query is faster, then you are completely right. And also, if your answer is because it is a cover query, then congratulations, because that's the correct answer. This is a theoretical question because in practice, at least this example will run almost exactly the same, but it could be different for scenarios when you have a huge table. Uh, just to explain the reason behind of it, it's basically that when you have an index, like in this case, we have two columns, the first name and then also the department ID. If you filter and if you only use in your query columns that are part of the index and you are returning values of columns that are also part of the index, then you don't need to go to the data because the index itself can cover the query for you. So basically it goes through the index and it returns the data from there. And then for the second query, it has to go to the data to retrieve the higher date, sorry. So there is an extra step that the DBMS has to do. That's why the first query is the right answer in this case.